Let me see. I'm just going to delete my default cube right now, and I will go to normal view just for this. We're going to add text. So it should be in the drop down menu of add text. There we go. Very self-explanatory. Now, to edit this text and to make it 3D, we want to go to edit mode. Now I'm just going to remove this background a little bit here. And edit mode, there we go. So, I don't know, what can we type in here? Becky is the best. There we go. Becky is the best. Go to object mode. Come down to your text, which is your data. And we are going to go to font. I mean, you can choose any font really. I'm just going to quickly choose a font that I would like. So I think this one best fits neon. If you're going to put this in neon. Let me see now. I lost the actual drop down for this a while back. Here we go. Right, so we've got the offset, which you can make this bigger, this smaller. I mean, experiment with your blender. It works. So this actually extrudes it so that it's 3D. So what I'm going to do is rotate this by 90. Yeah. Put this G up. Scale it. So we've got that, and then I'm going to put a plane down so that you guys can see the kind of the lighting that's going to come off this, and then I'm going to put some random objects just in the background, just to kind of capture that light and just make it look a little bit better. So UV spheres. Yeah, I'm going to make that into a disco ball. That would be pretty cool. Just 1 second. Make that metallic, and then we want to make this. So we're going to the rendered view of this, and to make this metallic, we just do the same with the other one. So we just want to go to surface. We want to go to emission, and boom, we have an emission. Let's make this blue. So blue emission, and then we want to turn it up a little bit. And that's basically how you make your emissions in Blender. Make this object a little bit bigger in the background, maybe.